Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nur Hasanah. I'm from Mathematics Education Study Program 5th semester. Today, I'm going to talk about how to say number in English. I will talk about vocabulary and pronunciation of number. So, let's start. I have write some number up here. So, please listen and watch. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, etc. Okay, when I said this number, I said this number 20 and this is number 1. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, etc. Okay, it would be 31, 32, 33. I go down 34, 35, 36, 37. This is 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, etc. Okay, so let me continue reading this across. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Okay, when I say this number, when I say 20, 21, 22, 23, I never pronounce T. An American not pronounce that. You can pronounce, of course, if you want to pronounce 20, 21, 22, but we never pronounce that T almost as a D. 4D, 5D, 60, 70, 80, 90. So again, I'm just mentioning this so that you understand as we speak, okay? Okay, this number over here in the 100 should be pronounced 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, etc. So we don't need that word N. For example, 101, 102, 111. Okay, this is not correct. We don't need the word N. So the correct way is to say 101, 102, 103, 104, 111, 112 without the word N. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I'm going to talk a bit about pronunciation. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Sometimes people have trouble distinguishing the sound of the number in this column and the number in this column. They sound very similar. So let me read to you. Let me read this number to you. 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. If I count them down, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, stress on the first syllable. For example, 30, this number, 30, 40, the stress on the first syllable. 30, 40. When I'm counting, I also put the stress on the first syllable. For example, 13, 14, 13, 14. Also, if the number followed by noun, for example, I have 13 books, 15 people. We normally put the stress on the first syllable. 13 books, 15 people. However, if the number is at the end of phrase or sentence, we normally put the stress on the second syllable. For example, if you ask me how many people, I just say 15, okay, 15. So the stress put on the second syllable. Now I would like to talk about how to say large number. So as you can see, I have written several numbers up the board here, and please notice that, especially with this large number. Okay, I have written a comma between every third digit, starting from the right. Okay, so if I start here, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay? For this first comma, if there is a number before it, I will say the word 1000. For second comma, I will say the word million. For this comma, I will say the word billion. And the last comma, I will say trillion. Okay? So let's go through this. This is 1, 10, 100. I have one comma, okay? This comma, 1000. So we can say 1000. This is 10,000. 100,000. 1 million, because this comma, million. Second comma, okay? 1 million. 10 million. 100 million. This is, I have 3 comma. So this is billion, okay? 1 billion. 10 billion. 100 billion. And the last, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 comma. Okay? So we can say 1 trillion. Okay. Okay, I would like to talk about small number, and in particular number written with a decimal point. This dot or in here called decimal point. Okay, so to the first place, to the right of the decimal point is called 10. Is called 10 place. For to the right is called 100, and 3 to the right is the 1000. 4 to the right is the 10,000. 5 to the right is the 100,000. So this is 110, 100, 1,000, 110,000, 100,000. In common speech, we use the word point of decimal point itself, and we read number like this. For example, 1.8, 1.8, 7.8, 7.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, 8.8, or 1 and 1/10. Okay, here is some common terminology for fraction. This is 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. This is one have to name. 1/4 on 1/4. This one is 1/5. And as we continue with the number, the majority of them have th at the end. So I would follow this. 1/6, 1/7, 1/8. Okay, we normally put th and except if the number ends in 1, 2 or 3. This number is 1/21. If it ends in 1/1. This is 1/22. If the end in a 2 seconds, and the last 1/23 if the number ends in a 3. So this is 1/21, 1/22 and 1/23. Okay friend, I think that's enough for today. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.